dead. Ah, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to call. Oh, I'm gonna have to call someone to help. I'm helpless. I don't know what to do. But really, here's what you do. You take this giant behemoth hammer or any big metal stabby pokey thing, and you see this thing? You just take that right off. And if you look way down in there, you'll see the starter. And what you got to do is you got to take this big fucking thing, give it a little poke, give it a little tap. So let's see. Now that I've tapped it, can we start the car? We've tapped the starter. Will it work? Will it work? Try this again. Like fucking magic, like fucking magic. Look at that. Boom.